Hello and welcome to our three-part series on learning Python programming. In this first video, we will cover the basics of getting started with Python. Python is a popular and powerful programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications. Whether you are interested in web development, data analysis, or machine learning, Python is a great choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. In this video, we will cover the basics of writing and running Python programs, including variables, data types, and basic syntax. Variables. Variables are a fundamental concept in programming. A variable is essentially a container that holds a value. In Python, you can declare a variable by assigning a value to a variable name. For example, to declare a variable named x and assign it the value 5, you will write the code. You can then use the variable x in your Python program to perform calculations or display its value. Variable can also be reassigned new values as needed. Data types. Python supports several different data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, and Boolean values. An integer is a whole number, while a floating point number is a number with a decimal point. A string is a sequence of characters, such as a words or a sentences. A Boolean value is either true or false. You can declare variables of different data types in Python by assigning values of the appropriate type. For example, to declare a variable named name and assign it the value John, you will write this code. To declare a variable named age and assign it the value 25, you would write this code. Basic syntax. Python has a simple and easy to learn syntax that makes it a great language for beginners. One important aspect of Python syntax is indentation. Unlike other languages, which use braces or other symbols to denote blocks of code, Python uses indentation to indicate which line of code belongs to which block. For example, to write a loop in Python, you would use the for keyword and indent the code that belongs to the loop. This code will print the numbers from 0 to 4, since the loop will iterate 5 times. Another important aspect of Python syntax is comments. Comments are lines of code that are ignored by the Python interpreter, but can be used to provide explanations or notes for other programmers who may be reading your code. To write a comment in Python, simply start the line with a hash symbol. Running Python programs. To run a Python program, you will need to have Python installed on your computer. Once you have Python installed, you can run Python programs by typing the command Python followed by the name of the file that contains your Python code. For example, if you have a file named hello.py that contains the code, you can run this program by opening a command prompt or terminal and typing this. This will execute the code in the hello.py file and print the message "Hello World" to the screen. In conclusion, Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that's easy to learn and use. By understanding the basics of writing and running Python programs, including variables, data types, and basic syntax, you will be well on your way to building your own Python programs and exploring the many applications of these popular languages. See you next video.